Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again with another banger. Today we will be reviewing DegenFrens, guys. A really interesting project, guys, something else today. At first it might seem like a meme coin to you, but it is not really a meme coin. So yes, before we jump into the video, as always I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into it, guys. So as I said at the beginning, maybe this is not really a meme coin in means that, you know, it doesn't have utility, because they do have utility in fact, and they have a pretty detailed white paper at which we'll also take a nice little look today. But DegenFrens, guys, token gated access to sports capping. So the project is really different when it comes to their competition and all of that. I have some highlights that I also wanted to bring to you before we get into the deeper review. They are on base as well, so it's pretty cool because the fees are very low here, and it's definitely a great sign if you want to buy and later on trade. Then base is definitely the way to the chain to go with. And they have this nice meme-ish, you know, theming to the website, which I really like. It's very eye-catching and it's pretty cool. So the marketing is definitely there, and we can see a freaking duck chilling here, you know, dripped out with some gold and stuff. So friends stick together, Degens stick together too. And yeah, as you can see, the graphics are on point here. The boys are throwing the dice here, rolling the dice, you feel me? Who is Degen Duck? DegenFrens unite. And now they have the whole explanation here, guys. So before we get into this explanation, I also wanted to bring you some of the highlights that I just mentioned. So first of all, they have Involvio full backing, guys. They have major sports capping partnerships, including Sharp Invests, No Brainer Wagers, fan bases, and more. Tokenized Degen chat, guys, run by some of the leading sports capping agencies along with general crypto Degen chats. They also have direct buying on site at launch with their Uniswap partnership, which is very cool and very easy to buy on the launch. They are long-term, guys. They are long-term token with massive white paper, as I said at the beginning, and roadmap that is going to be revealed over time. And they also have big Chinese support, and as you guys can know already, Chinese community can really pump it up, if you know what I'm saying. So to be honest, they really do have a lot of potential when it comes to the price growth and all of that. So I'm bringing this as early as it is possible to bring, okay? I know that a lot of you guys have been asking me to bring some early gems, you know, some early projects that are about to launch or that are in pre-sale, etc. It is not that easy to find, guys, okay? So this one I found by an accident, actually, and it was a good find, okay? So let's see what they have to say also here. So in a world dominated by the house always wins, Degen Duck and his friends are looking to fight back, inspired by people who have overcome all odds and beat the house. Degen Duck and friends are looking to make a bunch of money and retire in style. Alright, so they want to win big before quitting, if you know what I'm saying, man. If you know, you know. So with much dedication, the Degen gamblers are back to show the house who is boss. The team has been assembled, the rockets are fueling up. It is time for the Degens to take their wealth out of this world. Let's go, man. And we have this nice, every single time I scroll through this, I have a big smile on my face. We have the Caesar's Palace casino here, and you know, we have ducks just rushing it, you know. So yeah, pretty cool. So how to buy? You need to add base to your MetaMask. Very easy to do so. I believe you can add this chain without searching for any details of it. I think MetaMask has it already in their default. You just need to click add blockchain or something like that, and then you can find base. Then you need to load up Ethereum. So you can head over to Bridge, connect your wallet to Ethereum blockchain, choose how much Ethereum you want to bridge from ERC20 to base, or you can simply just already buy base Ethereum on some exchange and just send it directly to your wallet, and this way it will be cheaper also, I would say. And then you can buy friends. So as you can see, head over to Uniswap and paste the friends contract address listed on this website to swap your Ethereum, and then you can add friends to your wallet by simply pasting the contract address into your MetaMask, and it will also add add your token here. They have the roadmap, guys, powerful partners. DegenDAC has formed strategic partnerships with leading figures in the sports betting arena, a step that promises to enhance the project longevity and growth over time. As I said, they are really here for the long game, guys, okay? Thriving ecosystem. DegenDAC is set to thrive by tapping into the sports betting network with access to a broad spectrum of games and betting strategies. DegenDAC is poised to make the most of this dynamic environment. And then dedicated Degens, I love this name also. DegenDAC is fostering a robust community known as DegenFrens, which forms the foundation for the community's betting strategies. Alrighty. We have the white paper, which I already have pulled up. You just need to click on this paper here. And we have the boys playing, I believe it's poker, is it actually? I don't know. It looks like it, kinda. Yeah, playing some card game anyway. And yeah, someone owes money here, you know what I'm saying? Gotta be careful with this. And that couldn't be the best idea to mix, you know, matches with some fuel. So we have the tokenomics here, guys. We have the tokenomics now in all seriousness. So the total supply is 1 trillion tokens, 25% of supply is to LP, so to the liquidity pool obviously. 25% of tokens is allocated for exchanges and marketing, 10% for centralized exchanges, 15% for market making, 20% for marketing as in the means of, you know, like strategic partnerships, advertisement in this marketing, so 10 and 10 here, 15% of supply to Launchpad and VCs, and 15% to the team and advisors. And at first this might look like it's high, but it's really not. It's a fair amount, I would say, because 5% goes to advisory team, which is absolutely deserved, and 10% goes to the team, which is also absolutely deserved. And as you guys can see here, it is vested for 1 year, so they can't move this pretty much for a year. Then you have an FAQ. You have a nice little explanation of what is DegenFrens House. So DegenFrens House is a unique community-focused platform that brings together sports betting enthusiasts and those interested in making more informed gambling decisions. It's a space where members can share insights, strategies, and tips about sports betting, all while guided by DegenDAC's expert analysis and prediction. Then you also have the contract address that will be posted once the token goes live. So that's why there is no buying feature yet. So as I said before in the video, guys, this is as early as it gets, okay, as you want it. I will also announce this on my Telegram, most likely. So there will be all of these informations once it is live. And if you want to contact the team, if you have any questions, you can reach out to them at their email, or you can also tweet at them on their Twitter, which I will follow with you guys. Let's follow it together, okay? 3, 2, 1, boom, let's follow them. So they have 1700 followers, but they are very active, 98 posts. This is obviously brand new project. As you guys can see, they are also doing some nice little spaces here, which is always good. I always like when projects do spaces or AMAs and stuff like that, because it connects the community with the team, and you can see that they take the community pretty serious. They are doing some memes, some promotions, so it would be great if you follow them, in my opinion, because it is worth it. Nice little graphic at the end. We also have Back to the Future DMC DeLorean here, you know what I'm saying, and the man cashing out some huge amount of money, which is always great to see. So yeah, when it comes to the white paper, pretty detailed one. I don't want to really dive in too deep into it because it's 24 pages long, but I just want to quickly go through the table of contents with you. So they have the introduction, they also have the information regarding the token, specifications and purpose, which is really cool, staking mechanism, NFTs as access passes, token gated chat rooms. They also have technological architecture, the whole roadmap, governance, security and audits. And as you can see, this white paper is pretty much only consisting of text, so it contains all the information. It's pretty detailed, unlike other white papers where you have tons of pictures and not much info. Here you just have information straight up, which is very good. So you have key functionalities of the token itself. So you have token purchase for NFT minting. It does have utility, as I said. So users acquire friends tokens with the primary purpose of minting NFTs. These NFTs are not just digital collectibles, but serve as keys to unlock access to exclusive token-gated chat rooms on Discord, fostering a sense of community and exclusivity. So this is what I also mentioned at the very beginning of the video in the highlights, that they will have the tokenized Degen chat run by some of the leading sports capping agencies and many other features like that. So You have access to exclusive community spaces. Ownership of the minted NFTs directly correlates with access to Discord chat rooms where the token holders can engage in discussions, share insights, and participate in community-driven events and initiatives. Then you have token distribution and the whole utility, guys. Utility, you have NFT minting, community rewards, and many more. Then you also have staking. So as you can see, you can stake. You have different rewards, as you can see, tiered access, all of that, technical architecture supporting staking, smart contracts, security and efficiency, then NFTs as access passes, which is also pretty cool idea, I would say. So unique digital assets, each NFT minted through the Friends staking process is a unique digital asset signifying the holder's stake and participation in the ecosystem. The design of these NFTs incorporates elements that reflect the community and its values, making them a symbol of membership and engagement. Then you also have access to exclusive spaces. The primary utility of these NFTs is to grant their holders access to token-gated chat rooms. These digital spaces serve as hubs for discussion, strategy sharing, and community events, offering an elevated level of interaction exclusivity. Minting process, you have every single step explained here, guys. Then there is also the governance, which I really like. And the roadmap, so you have launch of the token, initial community engagement, staking mechanism and NFT minting, visibility and accessibility, platform development, guys, launch of the MVP dApp as well. So they want to do the sports betting dApp here, introduction of governance model, which I also really like, because when it comes to governance, then community has a real voice and real impact on the project's life, you know. That's how the community can realistically, you know, vote on certain things for the project. So it's cool to see that they will implement a governance as well. dApp v2 with enhanced features. Then you have scaling, as you can see, broaden exchange listings, strengthen NFT utility as well, enhance community engagement, philanthropic initiatives, so they want to do some charity work as well, which is pretty cool. Future vision, leverage AI and machine learning, expand the ecosystem, explore cross-chain integration, sustainability and social responsibility. So as I'm saying, the project is really long term. You have more information about the governance here, security and audits, as you guys can see. So all of that will be delivered over time, okay? So check it out if you guys want. I will link everything down below. Pretty detailed white paper. It really looks like they will stay here for a long time, because they have the long-term vision here and the idea is pretty cool. So yeah, guys, as early as it gets, as I said. So if you are interested in DegenFrens, all links down below in the description, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. And yeah, see you guys in the next videos coming out soon.